Hello everyone, I'm Pooja Obganlawar, the founder of the Story Tunes. I'm a storyteller, a speech and drama teacher and a writer. I take speech and drama classes and I send my students for the exams conducted by the Trinity College of London, which are mainly in communication skills and speech and drama. And during this time of teaching, I've realized that the child's emotional quotient is very important. Emotions are basically strong feelings of maybe anger, sadness, liking something, loving something and all of that. So emotional quotient is basically the ability to understand, to use and manage your own emotions. And it's not only managing your own emotions but also being aware of the other person's feeling, the other person's emotions. So the Story Tunes have come up with a concept called the Storypedia, which basically works on a child's emotional quotient. We work on self-awareness. We work on how to develop empathy in the child. We, try to motivate the child. We also work on building up their social skills. And most important, developing self-regulation. So, stories are going to be like an umbilical cord. So, like the umbilical cord provides all the nourishment to the child, these stories are going to provide just the same, from knowledge to transferring emotions, the proper utility of your emotions, managing your emotions and all of this, and that too in a very fun learning way. Subconsciously and consciously, both the child is trying to understand and make himself or herself emotionally strong. Now, why do we need to build up the emotional quotient in such an early age? Now, these stories are going to start catering to the child who's just 3, 4, 5, 6 years old. So why so early? The things early learned, the early lessons, the farther they be. When you teach something, to undo that becomes more difficult. So right from the beginning, we try and teach the child or nurture the child in such a way that the child is capable of handling his own emotions. As the child grows, these teachings of empathy, of loving, of caring, these kind of life skills will stay with the child for life. And when we were children, when we've listened to a lot of stories from our grandparents and maybe parents too. But in these days, this world of chaos might not be giving us enough time to really sit with the child and tell the child stories. I'm sure most of us are even doing it. But I don't know how many of us really dramatize the story and how many of us really use voice modulations for the child. And this child reading for the child has to be every day. It should be a part of your life, of your daily routine. So you need to pick up one time during the day or during the night when the child and you are alone. Or maybe you can really give in good time to your child. You must read to the child, or maybe tell him a story, maybe dramatize, maybe just talk with the child. That's really important. So the Storypedia is going to come up with a series of stories which are handpicked by all of us in Story Tunes, and we deliver those stories. We're also coming with a different takeaway. In every story we're going to use a few words. Now these words, at the end of the story, I'm going to tell the meanings of these words. So this is also going to work as a vocab booster for the child. The child will eventually learn how to use those words in his own sentences too. So that is a good thing if you're looking towards the academic part too. But for emotional intelligence also, these stories are going to work wonders. So I hope you're seeing my video. So just like, share, subscribe to this channel so that you can stay updated with whatever stories we have. We're also going to come up with a lot of drama tips for the children. So just subscribe and stay tuned for many more videos. Thank you.